This is a bag of goji fruits purchased from an Asian grocery store. The Latin name for it is Lycium in singular or Lycii plural. Soak the fruits for 24 hours. Then open the fruits to extract the seeds. Now press seeds into the soil, not too deep, just barely below the surface. Then cover with a light mulch and water and spray as needed. The seeds germinate in 5 to 7 days. It's best to grow them in containers for the first year and let them winter indoors. This is my goji plant at around 2 years old. Looking close up, you can see some of the flowers and fruits. This is my very first harvest of goji. The fruits can be eaten fresh or dried for later use. If you have canning equipment, you can make delicious goji berry jam or jelly. The young shoots of the goji can be made into a tea or eaten fresh as a salad. This is the hot tea with goji leaves and fruits, served with a little healthy snack. It can also be a refreshing cold drink. You can make goji berry pancakes or waffles served with goji berry sauce or jam. The goji berries go well with every dish and can be used for cooking. Here they are put in a bowl of noodle soup. Goji leaves, flowers and fruits are all edible. You can incorporate them in your favorite recipes for a healthy and tasty diet. I hope you have room in your garden for a goji plant. It's very easy to grow and very reliable fruit bearer.